Okay, so we are here at the Prizm Outlets, which is like, it's really far from the Las Vegas Strip. It's like 45 minutes away from the Strip, but they have a Bath & Body Works outlet here, which is why I wanted to come, but it was really hard to actually get a car to come here. But we're here now. So yeah, I think this mall is like completely defunct apart from the Bath & Body Works and a couple of other stores. So there's a Michael Kors outlet here. I'm not really a fan of Michael Kors, but they do have that. As you can see, a lot of the shops are closed. I think it used to be a much more popular mall, like an outlet mall, because it's kind of like on the border of like California and Nevada. So yeah, and there's a Levi's store, I think, down here. I don't know if it's still open. Let's see, yeah, the Levi's is here. And then I think Bath & Body Works is down here as well. So here's the Levi's. Yeah, the Levi's is still open. And there's also Ralph Lauren. Over here, there's Ralph Lauren. And then I think Bath & Body Works is down here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Here is the Bath & Body Works. But as you can see, there's like nobody at this mall at all. And it's like 45 minutes from the Vegas Strip. But this is the Bath & Body Works outlet. See, they have like 25 to 50% off. So I'm gonna have a look in here and see what I can find. They had this one which I was looking for, the bubblegum pop. I've got 4 of these, they're like the last ones they have. They have these ones, watermelon lemonade, these are all 50% off. They have this one, orange vanilla twist. As well, there's cinnamon donuts as well. I've got 2 of those. We've got the lotion. Which I might get because I think this is one of my favourite candles from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good, and they have berry waffle cone. So yeah, these are some of the other candles that they have. Orange pineapple punch. Yeah, but I might get this one. Yeah, they have these ones as well, which is $6. This firecracker pop one smells really good. Okay, so that was the Bath & Body Works outlet. I think it was quite successful. I got a few things. So yeah, I got a few things. Yeah, they had the bubblegum pop shower gel that I really wanted to get, and they obviously don't have it in the other stores now because it's from like a few months ago. So yeah, that's the Bath & Body Works outlet anyway, at this Primm outlet. I thought it was quite good. Apparently they get shipments like every week. So yeah, that was the Bath & Body Works outlet at the Primm Outlets, or Prizm Outlets that they have here. I thought it was quite good. I got quite a lot of stuff. Yeah, they had the bubblegum pop shower gel that I really wanted to get because they didn't have that in the regular stores now because it's from a few months ago. So yeah, but it was a bit of a faff to get here. But yeah. Okay, so we are now at Shake Shack at the Las Vegas North Premium Outlets. And yeah, I've got this pumpkin patch shake and then this burger here. We're just going to get some food and then we're going to go around the outlets here. So yeah, here is the outlet. I don't know what shops they've got here. I think they don't have that many designer shops, so we'll just see what they've got. Okay, so they've got one of the cosmetic company stores here that they have at like Bicester, and they have them in London as well. So yeah, this is the Estee Lauder outlet. So let's have a look in here and see what they've got. And then there's Prada over here as well. I'm going to have a look in there. See if the Prada is any good here. This is what it looks like. This is what the outlet looks like. It's very, very small. Look at these orange little bags. Quite nice little makeup bag. We've got them in black as well. Yeah, it's much smaller than Bicester in here. Don't have as much stuff really. It's quite nice. This one also. Okay, and there's this one. Here's the Saks Off Fifth up here, and they've also got Cheesecake Factory here, but we're going to go to Cheesecake Factory in Caesar's Palace later, so we're not going to go there right now. So I might have a look in Saks and see whether that's any good. Got these Moschino bags in Saks. Don't know what other brands they've got. So they've got these little Moschino card holders. We've got all this cabinet of like vintage Louis Vuitton. I think it's just Louis Vuitton. Oh no, there's Prada. And these are some other bits. I don't think these are vintage. There's like Moschino. How much are these belts? I don't know. They're they're $199 for the gold Moschino belts. So we've got some Gucci bits, some phone cases by the looks of it. Yeah. So here's some Moschino bits. We've got scarves and things. Okay, so we are just back and we're going on our way to the Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, because we didn't go there the other day and we're going to go there for dinner tonight. And yeah, it'll be nice. I don't know what I'm going to get. I will get some cheesecake though, because I've never actually had the cheesecake there and I've always meant to get it. So no matter what, even if I have to bring it home, I'm going to get the cheesecake today. So here's the lift. Look, it's all done in here now. We came here the other day and it wasn't finished, but now it's finished. Look how cute it looks. Oh, look at the little acorns. They're cool. We've got these pumpkins. It's so cute. This giant pumpkin here. So yeah, we're just walking through the Bellagio now. Look at this massive pumpkin. Look at these massive ones as well. So cute. Without fight. I've got a bit too much food, look. You've got the same as me.